Logic and Binary here at LB Dexter. As always, T-Got to my left. T-Got, random, quick, easy video day. What we got here? Oh yeah, let's see here. What we have? We have a box that has 50 on it. 50! Okay. I guess let's get right to it, right? Yeah. All right. He said quick video, so we're gonna make this quick. Handy dandy SeeNew pocket knife. Wow. I need to sharpen it, man, to be honest. I haven't sharpened it in a few days. I mean, in a few weeks. And it's been doling out on me. But anyways, again, please don't judge me on my knife skills. Gets the job done. All right. Handy dandy SeeNew pocket knife. Oh, I love these. Oh, we have another box inside of a box. Typical Amazon. Thank you. Is there gonna be another box in here?
Shall see.
We shall see. We shall see. One of my favorite parts of the video. All right. This is Sparta. Okay. Here we go. Movie film. A clapboard. Is it going like when I open it?
Good idea.
Oh, clapboard. I love it. If you haven't figured it out by now. This is Sparta. No, is it? I don't want peace. I want problems always.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Ah! That's it. It's over. It's done. Souls. I love it. Woo!
So
It's gonna say right here. Hold on, let me. T-Got. FY.
we need to go.
Yeah. What do you mean? Oh, yeah, and it's got a little magnet. Okay, it's got a little magnet. Oh, and then it's got the it's got a little Allen wrench in there, so you could tighten this up or loosen it depending on how you want it. Yeah, oh yeah, I love this. Yeah, we've actually, we've bootlegged it. I don't know why we didn't go out and get one of these from a long time ago. Why didn't we just go out and get one of? What it cost you, like $3? $20. I guess so, dude. I like it. Look, it's got the little eraser. It's got the little eraser. It's got the, enough pens. Dude, I love it. No, I mean, this is great, dude. Yeah. And it's got the little magnet, so I'm assuming the magnets kind of just stick to this. Yeah, let's try it. Let's try it. Mm. Nope. Ah, but it does stick to that. Okay, let's see. Let's see here. Action! Love it. Oh. Action! Wait. There you go. Action! Now that was upside down.
There you go.
Action! I love it. Wait, I forgot. Action! Well, Logic and binary, clapboard, T-Got. That's a wrap.
Yeah, and we can smoke, we can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof.